Let's discuss instantaneous unit hydrograph or IUH by Clark's method. So in last slides we have seen the unit hydrograph, and this kind of unit hydrograph where discharge is plotted against time and there is a peak up to this level. Now this is for certain input, that is rainfall, like A. This is for A having like time, this much time, and there was a uniform precipitation over the catchment area. Now suppose this precipitation took 4 hours and I reduce it to 2 hours in the B. The same amount of water which is generating 1 centimeter depth over the whole catchment, and that is in 2 hours. So what will happen, that this peak here will shift to the left side and this new peak is formed. New chart, new unit hydrograph will be formed like this. Similarly, if I reduce time, say 2 hours to 1 hour, and assuming that in 1 hour 1 centimeter depth of excess water is created all over the catchment, then the the C chart, this line, C line, will appear and new maximum value will be like here. And as I go on reducing this time, say from 4 hours to 2 hours to 1 hour to half hour, say 10 minutes, 5 minutes, and say within no time there is 1 centimeter depth all over the catchment, then what will be the kind of peak value when we receive this kind of hydrograph, this kind of water routing in the channel where we are measuring the flow, discharge, we are measuring the discharge. So it's a instantaneously 1 centimeter of depth over the catchment, over the whole catchment. So that 1 centimeter means unit hydrograph, but rain is not taking any time and it is generating 1 centimeter. So this is called instantaneous unit hydrograph, and this is Clark's method. So Clark's unit IUH mostly called. Now, in this, we do not have that duration of the unit hydrograph, say 6-hour unit hydrograph or 4-hour unit hydrograph or 2-hour unit hydrograph. So it is free from that. So that is the benefit of this, that one less parameter is required here, and it gives very much easiness for say differently shaped or say um, uh, something like which are not uniform or symmetrical catchment. So very suitable for them to really route through the channel or the reservoir at the end. Clark's method is mostly considered, say this is maximum, say within no time this is like peak is achieved. So mostly you will find that no more maximum water could be available than this value. So this is the ultimate max in a way we can understand. So understanding that instantaneous unit hydrograph by Clark's method is a unit hydrograph with no duration. So DH is missing here, and it gives the characteristics of catchment rather than of the rainfall. So that is the advantage of this kind of unit graph. That's all for today.